Hello everyone. This video will just serve as a brief follow-up to the previous video in our GitHub series that covered the creation and uses of branches. In this one, I'll just show a quick example of a branch in use. So, real quick, let's head on over to Android Studio, and once we get here, you can see I have some code open. So if I do any sort of edits to this code, like for example, I add a space right here on this line in this comment. As we've seen before in a previous video, it will then update inside of the GitHub desktop app. As you can see, I have a branch selected, which is my development branch. So if I commit this, say this is a test, and I commit it. Once I hit the push origin button, it will then send it into the cloud. So, and then we can head over to github.com real quick. Once we get over to the repository, we can come over to the pull requests tab, and when we click that, we can hit new, and then select in this drop-down for the base repository the name. Once that's shown up, I should probably note that the reason that it shows up with that in the first place, asking for a base repository, is because this specific repository is a fork from a different one. If you have your own original repository, that should not be an issue. But I will reiterate, if you're in a forked repository and you want to keep it within the fork, make sure to select the name of the repository that you are in as the base, and then it will bring you to here. Once we're here, it shows just a simple diagram of what kind of thing you're doing with the code. When you select the compare, that is what you are pushing from. So I want to be pushing from my dev branch into the master. Once I do that, it shows, oh look, there's the change that I made. So you can see exactly what I did. I just added that space to the end of that line, and then I can click create pull request. It even keeps the name of what I committed it as, just this is a test. Then I can confirm. Once it does that, GitHub does its check to make sure that everything is all good, and then you can hit merge and confirm. Once you've done that, if you hop on over here, you can see that it has committed it right here to the master branch. That's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.